the first thing you'll do is click on the button. Step 2, copy the link. Just click on the copy button, and finally step 3, then you have made money. And you can receive a quick payment of $513. There's no requirement for you to sell anything. You don't need any kind of technological ability or experience. You don't need any kind of website or video. You don't need any kind of followers. And most importantly, there is no waiting because this is really quick and totally free. Right on this video, I'll show you precisely how to sign up for a free account, and after watching this video, you can get started making your first $513 starting right now. So you shouldn't let any of the content in this video slip by without paying attention to it. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $513 by answering questions. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So today I'll show you a website called Digistore24. Now you can go to digistore24.com, but you have to watch this video first. Now the idea here is really easy to understand. Signing up for a free account gives you access to their marketplace where you can find different offers and products to sell. So when you click promote, you can copy your unique promo link with just one click. Then when you share this link on the internet, when people click on your link and then buy any of the products on this website, you'll get a commission and keep making money over and over. Now, once more, you can see that registering on this website is completely free, so you can start making money with Digistore24, and I'll show you how to do it. It's a little complicated and you have to fill in a lot of information, but I'll show you how to do it all in this video. So make sure you keep watching, and I promise you, you'll love it. Because it's much simpler and easier than you think it is. So this method is very different from others because you don't need any experience or technical skills. So after you watch this video, I'll let you in on a little secret about how to make your first $100. Again, when you log into your Digistore24 account, click on the link at the top that says Marketplace. That will take you to a page with more than 200 different offers and products, so you can promote online and get paid for it. Now let's say you can earn an average of 85% commission on a health and fitness program. So you can keep going and going, and the website will show you literally hundreds of products that you can start promoting and making money from online. So let me show you the first bonus tip to help you make the most money. Now I'll show you the first bonus tip. Now when you go to the marketplace, click on the down arrow by default. So it's sorted by sales rank, but I want you to click on the down arrow and sort by earnings or sales. So you'll see that Digistore24 will automatically help you sort through all the results and show you the products with the highest commission that you can see. Now you have to sign up for a free account before you can get the link. Now when you go back to the Digistore24 homepage, all you have to do to sign up for free is click on the blue button. So this will take you to a page. Now on the first page of the sign up process, make sure to choose the affiliate category since you're here to make money online. So you can just put in any username you want and they'll help you make your own unique affiliate links. So if you use those unique affiliate links to promote products on this website, you could make a commission. So to move on, just put in your email address, make a password, and choose your time zone. You can see that they accept people from all over the world, so you don't have to worry. After you choose your country and time zone, you just have to fill in your name, address, and other personal information as you go down the page. Lastly, you have to agree to the terms and conditions and click on the button to sign up for free. Now that you've set up your account, you should be able to get your unique affiliate link, and when you click the button that says Promote Now, and that's where you're actually gonna promote. Again, if someone clicks on the link, they'll be taken to the linked page. When people go to the page, watch the video, and read all the sales materials, and if they decide to buy something for, say, $497, that's when the commission is paid. If they click on the button and buy the product, you get the commission. On average, you can make about $256, and if you make just 2 sales a day, you can make $513, and I'll show you how to promote it right now for free. Hey, I want to know if you have an interest in being an affiliate. Let me know in the comment section. Now that we moved on, I'll demonstrate to you how you can advertise this product on Reddit. So you can visit reddit.com, which is essentially a forum where people talk about various issues. You may literally type specific keywords in the search field to find the right people to advertise your affiliate link to. People post questions, ask questions, and share various videos and photographs of various websites. Now let's say you wanted to advertise a product that teaches people how to monetize YouTube. Therefore, you need to locate individuals who are interested in making money online if you want to properly promote the product. So you may enter a term when you visit Reddit, using "how can I make money online" as an example. You can just click the search button and then they'll take you to this website and display all the search results. Simply scroll down below to find other postings where people are asking questions. Many people are asking questions such as "how can I make money online using a card?" "how can I make money online as a minor?" and "how can I make money online?" And guess what? They have a lot of interest in making money online. The next thing you're going to do is offer some free value, so you're going to demonstrate various free internet money-making strategies to them. Now that you know how to write a short essay, you can actually post them on Reddit. So basically, you want to give them something that will be valuable to them, of course. You could look up similar articles online and rewrite or rephrase them. Now, if you can offer a very strong and helpful response, people may practically see all of the free advice and useful details about how to generate money online if you respond to their questions. So people will like your postings, they will leave comments on them, and you will receive a lot of engagement, which will help you create a lot of trust. So the plan here is very easy to understand. First, you have to copy and rewrite an article from the internet, then paste it into as many posts as you can, okay? This will bring you a lot of free traffic. So your answers will be read by a lot of people. They're going to get a lot of free stuff, and here's how you can make money. So using this method, you'll add a link to make money. To do this, you'll copy and paste your affiliate links into your article, and you'll have to do this every single topic. So if you show them a method in your article, you can show them the link at the end, which makes perfect sense. Because you give them something of value first, people are more likely to click on them. So you give them free advice on how to make money online, and if they go to the page and decide to buy something, you can make $256. And if you get 2 sales, you can make $513 just like that. Now, once you've answered all of the posts from your first search, you can change your search terms. For example, "how do I get paid online?" will bring up more posts where people are looking for and asking the same question. So you show them the answer for free, and at the end, all you have to do is plug in your affiliate links. You can easily use this method again and again to promote any Digistore 24 deals you want. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to become an affiliate? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!